does contract means? So friends, do you think the contract is the very big deal like between the parties whenever the two big party or two different institutions or two like organizations came to some business deal, then only contracts are formed? Is this like so much things? No, it's not like that. Actually, the contract or agreements, these are the parts of our day-to-day life. Every day we get into the contracts, we get into the agreements. There are the contracts, like such a small thing. We are going to buy the grocery. We go to the supermarket and we buy the stationery. We buy the grocery. We buy vegetables. Through all these activities, through all these acts, which are the part of our day-to-day life. Are needed. So friends, as we have gone through the meaning or definition part of the contract, it must have come to our notice. Contracts, whenever it gets enforced, all the essential elements gets enforced, contracts can be used, the agreement between the parties, when it gets registered, when it gets written, all the important points, all the commitments between the points, between the parties, the terms and conditions, that document can be used as a safety, as a legal remedy, as a security for the parties. So the purpose or the very important benefit or advantage of contract is nothing but whenever the parties face some disputes, face some disagreement of the opinion, they can take help the whatever the terms has been agreed with. Welcome to chapter 3, classification of contract on the basis of validity. So friends, as we have seen, there are 6 important elements of the contract. These are nothing but the competency of the parties. It must be written, must be expressly or in writing. It must be expressly spoken or in writing. The object should be lawful. There should be consideration, and it should not expressly declared as a void. And the consent of the parties must be a free consent. If all these conditions are fulfilled, we can say it is a valid contract. So, the first classification of the contract, first type of contract on the basis of validity is nothing but a valid contract. Welcome to our chapter 4, types of contract on the basis of formation. That means how the contract has been formed. The first very important point in this are expressly formed contract or express contract. So whenever the terms of the contract has been expressly spoken or expressly written, everything is mentioned in writing. That is the express contract. These contracts usually has all the conditions, all the essential like competency of the parties. As per section 11, parties have the capacity to get entered into the contract. Like parties are measured as per the Majority Act. Parties has crossed their age of 18 years. classification of contract on the basis of performance. These are the three different types of contract. The first one, executed contract. What does it mean by execution? Whenever there is any order or any decree or any notification or any contract, anything which has been executed, that means whoever are the parties, both the parties of the contract has done their promise, has fulfilled their promise, has been fulfilled their duties as per the conditions. Both have done with their promise. That can be said the contract has been executed. Suppose I am the person A, I entered into the contract with person B. I promised him to sell my house in rupees 2 lakh. Welcome to our chapter 6, which is the last chapter of this course, agreement and contracts. What are the points to be differentiated between agreements and contracts? The first most important point between these two is nothing but the sections as per the Indian Contract Act 1872 for their definitions. Section 2E of Indian Contract Act defines agreement, says that agreement is a promise or a set of promise forms the consideration for each other. What does this mean? Agreement is nothing but when one party agrees to do something and the other party agrees to pay for it something. Consideration is very important. So when one party agrees to do something and in this regard, in this consideration, the other party agrees to do something, this is nothing but the agreement.